Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 136, single number. It's an easy level problem on the LeetCode and it's also a quite easy one. Let's look at the problem statement. Here we have given a non-empty array of integer nums. Every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. You must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. So So basically here in this question, we have given an array of nums. So the interesting part about this array is here all the elements are appear to us except for one element which appears only the single time. So we need to find basically that one element. So let's try to find our approach by the brute force way. So for the brute force approach, we need to think of a naive way to possible to get the approach. So how can we do it? We will take one element and try to traverse through the whole array. Let's take 4. And if I traverse through the array and check, 4 appears here, no. 4 appears here, no. Here 4 appears, no. Here 4 appears, no. So that's it. Our answer is 4. Let's take another example of here, this one. If we take 2 and traverse through 2 comes to 2 appears 2 times. That's not our answer. Here we take 2 and check the remaining element 1. So that's not it. So what can we do? Assume if we are doing this brute force approach, assume if the element is here the case is the element is at the first position, but assume if it's the element is at the last position. We need to take several attempts or several time to reach that element at the last position. So it will increase the time complexity and and this approach of the brute force O and square. But here in this question, we need to optimize the runtime. What can we do? We need to think of an efficient solution. Let's try to implement. So what can we do? If we implement a map and in that map, we will scan through the array. If the element is not exist on the map, we will add that element. And if that element appears another time, we'll just increase the count of it. And from this count, we'll find out which element is appearing only the one time. So let's begin our approach. So here we will take another map. Now here we have taken a hash map and we will now traversing through the array. And if any elements appear, we will add that element to the hash map. If that same element appears another time, we will just increase its frequency counts. Okay. Now to find out which element is appearing only the one time, we will need to traverse through the map. Here we will check if the frequency is equal to 1. We will simply return the element whose frequency is 1. That's it. Here now we will check. So the test message has been passed. Let's try to submit it. So as you can see here, so all the test cases has been passed and we have done this question. So that's it from my side. Thank you.